The Prime Minister, who's all set to begin a 4-state tour. We're talking from Uttar Pradesh to Sikkim, and also, more importantly, he's going to be in West Bengal. This is a very, very crucial and very important 4-state visit of the Prime Minister, and starting with Sikkim, going to West Bengal, and from there on to Bihar. A lot planned and a lot on the agenda, Radhika.
That's right. Prime Minister Modi will start his 2-day visit from Sikkim, where he will participate in Sikkim at 50 program at around 11 a.m. Then he'll lay the foundation stone and inaugurate multiple development projects in Sikkim, address gathering, and later in the afternoon, he will be visiting West Bengal as well. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be in West Bengal today, Divya, and ahead of his visit, the ruling TMC has compared his visit with that of migratory births. TMC has lashed out at the centre over its stepmotherly attitude towards the state. They also allege that the BJP has no intention to develop North Bengal.
That's right. In fact, Prime Minister Modi also took a dig at the ruling party. He took to social media site X to announce his visit to BJP's stronghold area of North Bengal, the same area that the TMC is saying that the Prime Minister has no intention of developing. Well, he went on to say that people are tired of the party's deception, hinting at the TMC. This comes on the heels of TMC leader Udhayan Guha, who also went and stoked a major controversy by raking up a veiled jab as far as the Prime Minister is concerned, saying that someone who sold tea earlier is coming to Bengal to sell sindoor. Let's listen in to the reactions coming in with our colleague Shashi.
Join me now is Junior Minister in the Modi cabinet as well as West Bengal State BJP President Dr. Sukhanto Majumdar. Thank you for speaking to NDTV, sir. So if you could just tell the viewers the program that the Prime Minister will be conducting here in West Bengal and the significance.
Tomorrow there are 2 programs. One is the some related to the programs which is totally government program, and that is related to the Petroleum Ministry. So, and another political program is there. So, PM will be available in both the programs. And before that, he will visit Sikkim also. But it is not confirmed due to the weather. Tomorrow, you will be able to know what will happen.
Sir, the spirits are high, of course, because West Bengal goes into elections early next year. So, how is the Prime Minister's rally going to boost the morale of the BJP cadre?
No, the Prime Minister, Margdarshan, his speeches and his, this kind of public program always inspire the BJP workers.
Join me now is BJP MP Raju Bista. Sir, the Prime Minister is coming tomorrow. Of course, the North Bengal has been a BJP stronghold, but the TMC has managed to make certain inroads during the last Lok Sabha election. How is the Prime Minister's visit going to impact the Bharatiya Janata Party?
सबसे पहले तो मैं आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री का दार्जिलिंग तराई डूअर्स और सिक्किम की जनता के ओर से नॉर्थ बंगाल और सिक्किम में स्वागत करता हूं। और कल क्योंकि सिक्किम को विलय हुए 50 साल पूरे हो रहे हैं, उसके लिए प्रधानमंत्री जी सिक्किम आ रहे हैं। उसके बाद अलीपुर द्वार में एक सरकारी कार्यक्रम है, फिर उसके बाद एक बड़ी जनसभा को भी वो संबोधित करेंगे। और नॉर्थ बंगाल ने हमेशा मोदी जी के नेतृत्व को अपनाया है और बार बार टीएमसी को नकारा है। और आने वाले समय में मैं इतना जो है विश्वास के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि ये नॉर्थ बंगाल चिकन नेक और दार्जिलिंग तराई डूअर्स का क्षेत्र ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट और ईस्ट इंडिया के लिए ग्रोथ का जो है इंजन बनेगा।
Shashi joining us to get us the very latest. Shashi, first and foremost, take us to the agenda of Prime Minister Modi's visit to the northern part of Bengal. We do know it's a BJP stronghold, and of course, the Prime Minister took to social media X while taking a dig at the ruling party. But the TMC leaving no stone unturned to go on to say that comparing his visit to migratory birds, saying that you can't expect anything out of this visit because nothing is really going to be done about North Bengal.
Well, the Prime Minister's visit in this particular part of West Bengal has both political significance as well as, the defense aspect of it as well, because this particular area connects India's mainland to the northeast. and also we know that it's connected with Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan. So strategically, it's very important for India. At the same time, the Prime Minister, of course, has been holding rallies across the country on Operation Sindoor. The Bharatiya Janata Party, utilizing that opportunity here in West Bengal, given the fact the state will go into election mode early next year. So the party is saying that they need to hold on to the dominance, the political dominance here in North Bengal to keep, the Trinamool Congress in check. Now, all the 6 North Bengal seats were earlier won by the BJP in 2019 when it had scored around 18 MPs from West Bengal, the highest ever. But in the last Lok Sabha in 2024, the Cooch Behar seat was lost to the Trinamool Congress. But the BJP knows that if it wants to continue ruling here in West Bengal, now it's the principal opposition. If it wants to defeat the Trinamool Congress, they have to hold on to all the seats here in North Bengal. Primarily over here today, we will be expecting the Prime Minister speaking about Operation Sindoor, and also the statement that he put out on his social media handle yesterday speaks about corruption of the Trinamool Congress. So what is the political messaging that he gives out while speaking here will be holding extreme significance given the political atmosphere in
All
West
eyes,
Bengal.
of course,
But at the
Shreya,
same time, if he gives out any...
Absolutely, all eyes on that visit, a very crucial visit. And of course, he will be laying the foundation stone of the city gas distribution project to the tune of over 1,000 crore rupees, which will provide piped natural gas to over 2.5 lakh households as well.